Should I not? Should I not? I think now's the time that we just go ahead and like give it a little snip. What do you think? Yeah, welcome back for another video, and I know you've seen that title. Yeah, we're cutting today. Let me just tell you, this is an awkward length for me. I don't like the length of my hair like this. I feel like if you're gonna be, I don't know, I just feel like this length is awkward. And also we know that we have like a lot of, I wouldn't even say it's like breakage, but things that could be better. And I'll also throw up some inspiration that I have. One of my inspiration picks is me. But I just want it to be a little bit shorter. I just feel like this length is like weird. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it before I change my mind. And also I just know that I need to do it. Like we have some breakage going on, and if I don't cut it now, it's just gonna start breaking off eventually, and it's not gonna look very good. I can't really stop now because it would be so weird if I left that like that. And also, some of you have become like really attached to my hair. Don't know what I think about that, but like if I'm not attached to it, I don't think you should be. Like, it's just hair, it's gonna grow back. Oh, we're a little lopsided. Let's fix it. A style. Yes, that's what I wanted. I wanted my hair cut into a style. Let's look at it from behind. Okay, it looks mostly even. I just feel like there's some spots that like the under pieces are longer. So I feel like for the most part we're good. Like this, I feel like I could do something with. Like the other length, I just feel like it was too like in between. And you guys, those of you that were attached to my length, did I like my new length? Of course, I thought it was gorge, but like if we have breakage, you have to get rid of it. You have to get it out of your hair. And now we're gonna style like our inspo pic. I love it. I love the way my hair turned out. It feels so good. Yeah, like I just want like a slight little bend, a slight little wave into a little bob. I think it's gonna look so cute in Paris. And then I can even, if I wanted to, flip it over one side. And I know you guys are gonna want to see the back, so let me turn around for you, show you the back. Like I just love a full bob. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.